In this video, I will show you how to register for the parent portal, how to view work in the parent portal, and how to register a second child to your account. In order to do this, you will need access to your child's Purple Mash login card. You will need the parent code on the login card and also the school's portal address. The parent code can be found at the bottom of the card, and the school's portal address can be found at the very bottom of the card. It will say purplemash.com/ and then the school's address. Once you have the portal address and the code, click on the family button and then click on register a parent. Put in the parent code from your child's login card. Then put in your child's initial and the email address you want to use for your account. Then click next. You'll then need to put in your details, so your first name, your last name, and the password that you want to use for the account. Once you've done this, tick the tick box to confirm the use agreement and click create account. After doing this, you'll then be sent an email. Click on the email and then click on the activation link to activate your account. Verify your email, and you're now in the parent portal. You will then see any work your child has done under the activity feed. This is work from to-dos and also work in their own My Work folder. To view the work, click on the See Work button. You'll then be able to view your child's work. If you want to access your child's Purple Mash account, click on Log in Child. You'll then be taken directly into your child's account where you can view any of their work from the Work tab. You can also access any of the activities directly in Purple Mash. To go back to your account, click on the Back to User button. You'll then need to put in your password to get back to the parent portal account. If you have another child that you need to register, you will need that child's login card and the parent code too. Once you have this, click on the family button again and click on the register a parent button again. Put in the parent code for your second child. Put in the child's initial and again the email address you used for your account. When you click next, this time it will recognize you already have a parent portal account. All you will need to do to link the second child to the account is put in your password for the parent portal and then click the Add Child to My Account. You'll then get a message to say that the child has been added to your account. Next time you log in to the parent portal, you'll see that there are now files for both of your children in the activity feed, and any other work that both the children do will appear in the activity feed for you. This has been a video on how to register for the parent portal and how to access work in the parent portal account. If you have any further questions or need any further support, please contact support@twosimple.com.